Good morning, traders. I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Commodities Broker, here with RJO Futures on Friday, April 5th, bringing you some commentary here in the energy market. So let's get started. What do we have going on? Well, right now, crude prices with a weaker tone. May oil's off about 66 cents. We're trading down around 92.60, right around that 200-day moving average of around the 92.50 area. Brent's also got a weaker tone. That market there, we're off about a little over $1, trading around 105.23. Nat gas bucking the trend. Pretty big day in nat gas today, up over 2%. We're up about 8 to 9 cents at around 403.5. And the complex has a weaker tone. RBOB's off over a penny, trading around 288.70. Heat's off about 3 cents right now, trading around 293.31. Something that I want to get started with here, though, and I think is really important to point out here, is take a look at where oil prices were on April 1st, which was Monday. This week, we started off, we hit a high there of around 97.81. So far this morning, we've hit a low of around 91.91. So we've really seen a weak tone here to overall to the crude oil market here this week. If you take a look back at some of my prior posts where we were mentioning as we were kind of approaching that 98 area, the market really technically appeared to be overbought. In addition to that, you look at the supply side of things, the stockpiles, and we had seen, several builds in the stockpiles here. Inventory levels are running certainly on the higher side this week, no exception. Wednesday's EIA report showed another build in crude prices, or in crude stocks here, up about 2.9 million barrels. That's putting us near record supplies right now. Then couple it with the weak economic data that we had come out here this morning. Look at the employment report here, and it certainly is helping keep oil prices here on the defensive. So now that we're down around this 200-day moving average, basically what I expect to see happen is the markets start to go in consolidation. But I wouldn't be surprised here if we continue to see a weaker tone here in the market, in the outside market, in the equities market, that we could see next week. We could see oil prices kind of gunning near towards that $90 a barrel area. Now, the big wild card in it is the stuff that we have going on certainly in North Korea and certainly in Iran. There's supposed to be some talks this weekend. Concerning here their nuclear capabilities and things of that nature. So that's something to keep an eye on too. That could always kind of flare up. But nonetheless here, I think, the dollar, and that's something that if you look at the dollar index, we've seen that kind of pushing on the higher side as well. I think that's into overbought territory as we saw a lot of outside foreign money flowing into the U.S., basically buying U.S. dollars, selling foreign currencies. I think some of that's going to subside here a little bit, and that dollar might start to come back down. And I think that'll certainly that should help here a little bit with crude prices also. So nonetheless, a lot of opportunities going on in that market. We're seeing some pretty impressive moves in that market. Give me a call, shoot me an email. More than happy to talk with you here a little bit. And remember, keep in mind, that futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk. May not be suitable for all traders. Good luck and good trading.